I love this part of Trevor's garden with so many beautiful fruit trees and vegetables growing. It's my kind of garden. And all these lovely plants need a really good watering routine, especially as the warmer weather starts to come through and when they start to fruit too. So I'm going to help him out. This is the Holman Retractable Hose Reel range, and there are 3 different lengths to choose from. 10 metre for smaller gardens, 20 metre for medium-sized gardens, and the 30 metres, which is perfect for larger backyards. I'm installing this one, the 20 metre, for this part of the garden. And as you can see, there's a lot of corners and nooks to get to, and by having a hose with a lot of length is going to make this a breeze. What I really like about this hose is just how lightweight it is, so I won't be breaking my back whilst I pull the hose behind me. And it's also very easy to install. How? It's all thanks to this bracket. You can install it onto a fence or a post, or a wall like this one, which has a tap close at hand. All you need is a drill and a few screws. It is a 5-minute job, but if you're a little bit inexperienced with a drill like me, 10 minutes tops, and a little bit longer on brick. And the bracket helps to lock everything into place. How easy is that? It's a 12mm premium hose, and I won't have to worry about it ending up in a tangle or in a mess because it's anti-kink proof too. And that's not the only secret. Check this out. So it's 180-degree swivel, so I can get around the garden quite easily. And inbuilt into this is an automatic layering system. So what that means is once I'm done watering, it goes back into here nice and easily. So let's get watering. Thanks to the lock hose system, I can stop the hose in any position without it running away from me. And the unit comes with a handy multi-function watering gun, which is perfect for watering veggies. I'm going to use the shower setting as it has a nice gentle spray for these plants. If you're worried about the weather damaging your hose, don't. The housing case will protect the hose from the UV rays when it's stored. Watering can be a breeze when you have a reliable hose like this one, and with the warmer weather on its way, now's really important to keep that watering up. That way you'll be able to enjoy all that fruit and veg later on.